Alright guys, it's a new day. They're farming it up, clearing this ground. This one's gonna be ours most of the year. Alright, first good target. It's like a massive button, I think. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Might be the rest of it there, but it looks like it's been broke for a while. Yeah. So, first target out of this field this year. It's been a couple years since I've been here. Found some fantastic cobs in here. Plenty of silver in these fields. So let's get back to it. Alright, just dug a 52. Looks to be round. There it is. What is that, pewter? Pewter button. I don't have to change batteries. Oh, look at that fox right over there. See him? He's watching him. Crazy, isn't it? He's been here the whole time. Another hole. Check it out. What's that button? Looks like a crushed button. Dome button. Yep. I think it is. That or it's horse tack. I think it's a button. The back. It's a two-piece, but the back's going out of it. Squished shut right there. Cool. Alright, let's get back at it. Let me know if I'm showing you too much. There's the first round ball. See, this field here is loaded right here, right where that fox is, between the fox and the house. It's just loaded with them. So, number one. Cool. Hey guys, I think it's a bale seal, but I'm not sure. Might not be nothing. Split there. No idea. Definitely seemed to be a target though. I dug her up. It's crumbly. Seems to be something in there. Sit around. I believe my pinpointer just found something here. I think it's a coin. Probably a penny, but check it out. It's a 1 center, so it's a wheat. First coin of the day. Didn't really have too much thought on finding these. Looks like a 1916 or 26. Let's see. Some people want to know 36. I believe that's correct, sorry. Yep. Alright. It's round. A second ago I found a little piece of this. Now I found a bigger piece. I was showing Brucey. Yeah, we got a friend here now. Good Lord. But look at that piece. Let me just brush it off a little bit. Oh, that's a nice fancy kick. Look at that. Let's see if I can get you in the right light. There's something. That's beautiful stuff right there. That is stupid old. My favorite kind of old. It's awesome, huh? Alright. It keeps getting in my way. Check out this, what I believe to be a dandy. Completely rolled backwards. But there's the shank right there. Would have been completely rolled. Now you know I'm going to try to get that open, because that'll be a nice button on the other side there. But I'm not going to do it now. But it's definitely a dandy button. Rolled up in a little knot. How does that even happen, you suppose? Isn't that crazy? Alright. I'll stick a picture in the video, probably over here. What it looks like straightened out. Might be in several pieces, but we're going to do it. Add a hole. There's another button or a tack. I'm not sure. That's a what? I thought it was going to be a button. I don't know if there's a shank in there or not though. Maybe it's not. What could that be? If it's not a button. Let's see. Is there anything? She's smooth in there. What could this be? Could that thing be on this side? Huh? I got no idea. I don't know. Getting dark. But look at this. What is that, you suppose? It's looking round but clipped. Could it be? Nope. That's another one of those buttons like I found way up there earlier. And that's something. Another one of these nice pewter buttons. concaved a little bit. Jokers are old, man. Nice. Anyway, I thought that was going to be something super cool, but it was kind of cool. There's a rock. The sun is going down, but see our first piece of shoe buckle. Beautiful piece right there. I don't know why they me off in a low. There, check that out. Why can't I find one of these holes? What is it? I don't know. Gotta get up in the yard, I guess. But anyway, cool. Let's keep it moving. Fast as we can go. Round. A not so round ball. Well, I made it a right good ways. See him? Let's see what that is. Is that a button? Or is it a ring? It's like a cool... Man, I don't know. Is it a button? No shank? Or is it a token? Is it a shotgun? Head stamp. No, that looks like that was... I guess it was a button. Zoom her in here. Come on now. Get it. Big old struggle. I think that's a shotgun stamp. Head stamp. Let's see. Pretty sure. Not positive because it could be a button, but yeah, it must be a button. Alright, well, I'll look at it later. Alrighty. We're almost back to the car. Pulled up a little nub. Little fancy brass nub. Guess it would have gone like that, huh? Yes, it's cool. I'm pretty tickled with that. Love me some artifacts. I did whack her once right there, as you can see. Daggone it. I don't want it in that. It's much better in it. I guess that's broke off something. Anyway, let's head to the car. Come on. There we go. Neat. Alright, I did a little short on the nickel. I found that here, but might be getting on to some old stuff here. Just popped the buckle out. Look at that. Don't have any idea how old it really is or anything, but hey, that's something. A lot of trash all around the area. Oh. Did you just see that? I just broke that thing right off. Huh. It's going in my pocket like that. Daggone it. Alright, so let's hope we find some other goodies. So we got something slightly round. It's awful fat. Might be a key or something. Might be a button, might be a piece of junk. That's a ring, I think. Could be modern junk, I don't even know. Definitely trash, I think. I don't know. Not been super satisfied with what we're finding here for a spot that's supposed to be, you know, early 1800s. Going by the 1900s. Yeah, looks like a piece of crap. Scored us a little piece of trash. I'm going to try to block you from the wind. Hoping to find some old stuff. It looks like it does have potential. A hair piece or something. I just wind is just bearing down on me right now. I don't know why. Looks like that might have... How do we get out of this wind? They've had some gold on there at one point. Might be a little piece of decorative. I'm sure you can't see how deep that is. There's no need even trying to show you because that's 16 inches right in here somewhere, I think. But it's when I'm digging up deeper than that. It's just filled in. Big sheet of copper. It is bent, almost like a shoe. Find quite a bit of it down there. It's some old stuff, and there's still some more. I don't know if you can see it there in a minute. That's the top of where I'm digging. It's filled in. They're trying to undermine all around these edges and everything. But man, it's something down there. She really laid this days too open, boy. When I come across, I'm gonna attempt to dig the rest of that out of here. I've been known to dig some copper bowls before, so let's see what happens. definitely got some kind of edge of something. A lot more. I'll bust that, I think. And mosquito. Still some more down there, but I'm looking at there's some copper right down here on to the right hand side. Try to work it all out, see if we figure out what it is. It's huge. Must have been a wash basin or something. Alright. Another piece. It's a rounded edge on it. Interesting, huh? Got a lump of something. Ooh. Crap and junk in that. Good, huh? Is that poo poo? Opening a toilet. Man, that was something. A privy. What? It would have been a shallow one, but yeah. Who knows? It's like a brick. I'm hoping that's not dookie as well. So, that might be a brick. Maybe it looks like a rock. Going on right here. That's some more there. I can't really see except for this. That looks really it's already upside down. Yeah, I'm gonna keep digging a little bit longer. Alright, so that spot I marked there on GPS. It's here somewhere. And I'm just circling around. I found a little round thingy. Maybe a coin. What do you think? Come on. Isn't that much better? Let's see what it is. Looks like an edge. Man, looks like a 1 cent penny. Just a weedy. Huh. Maybe I'll find some silver here then. I don't know. I don't know if this has been hit. Yeah, just a weedy. A lot of trash in here. Not super loaded with trash, but there's enough. Maybe we'll get a few goodies out of here. We'll see. I got another round item. Got a coin and a button, I think. Oh no, what is that? Might be a nub or something. I don't know what that is. Can't say I found one of these before. Let's see. Oh, just fix this one time. It should stay there. You don't think, suppose that's a game piece, do you? Or just as a doodad. Doodad seems to be an official holding on some things. I don't think there's nothing on it, but whatever. No idea. Interesting.